Hello and welcome to Biswanath Karbi Life, Voice of Indigenous People. I'm Anushka Teronpi and today we have with us Miss Monjir Hansepi, who is a model and an actress of Karbi film industry. We are so blessed and honored to have you with us. So Miss, there are a lot of people who want to know about you as you're an icon, a legend. So can you please tell us that about yourself?
Hi, I'm Monjir Hansepi and I'm from Karbi, Assam, Boithalangso. And about me, I'm a very simple girl and in my home I have my parents, like mom and dad and my little brother. I started modeling in 2016. I was very young, like 17 years old. Yeah, at that time I was in Guwahati. I think I've been in Guwahati only since childhood. Like I studied there only. Uh, my college name is Jigyas Academy. I passed from there. When I was 12, and one photographer he texted me like, "Are you interested doing some shoot and all?" And I said, "Yes, I'm interested." Then I started doing all this modeling and beauty pageant and all. So
Well, you're working as a model and also you're an actress in Karbi Film Society. So there will be a lot of opportunities and circumstances in your life. So can you please tell us about them so that the youth of today will get motivated?
yeah, it's not easy to get opportunity. You have to work hard for that. And yeah, my biggest fashion show was a Me Fashion Week. For that, I went audition in Bombay, and I get it through. And then I did the show for 2-3 designers. Yeah, and then I come back to Guwahati again. And last year, I did Karbi music video. That was my first album. It's called Ruwe. Yeah.
Okay. Well, I must say that you're such a down to earth kind of person. So you know what I would like to ask you is that there will be someone who is pushing you, who is motivating you, your role model, your inspiration. Can you please tell us about who is your inspiration and also your role model?
Yeah, my role models is Priyanka Chopra. She inspired me a lot. She know how to talk with people. She know how to carry herself. Uh,
Since you're also a part of beauty pageant, as you said that your modeling career began from pageant. So what really makes you, what do you think of switching to pageant to directly to modeling? So can you please tell us about that?
Pageant is not for long term. Pageant you can do just to get the title. Yeah, so I did it, but I didn't get it through. So I started in modeling. For me, it's easier. Modeling also not that easier, but for me it's not that tough. You have to learn how to talk. You have to learn how to walk, how to talk with people. You have to take care your skin, your body. Yeah.
Okay. Well, I must say that you're so glamorous, so beautiful, and you know what? In order to work in such kind of industry, you must always maintain about our body, our health. So can you please give us some tips regarding your beauty?
Oh yeah, it's very hard because all the time we put makeup on your face, so you get acne pimples sometimes. So you have to take care very before you sleep. You have to do the routine remove your makeup, wash your face. Yeah.
Okay. Well, you know what? I want to say, thank you for that personally because I really need to do this. Okay. I will also like to ask you is that as to walk in the ramp, to pose for the pictures, for the music video, there's a lot of tips. So can you please give us some tips?
Yeah, I have to learn. I also learned by seeing myself in mirror. I just check myself how to pose, which pose I will look good on it. Yeah.
Okay. So can you please tell us that what is the biggest challenge that you have faced, and what is the strength that push you harder to come back and to show the world that who you are?
I'm still learning. I think I didn't do anything great yet. Yeah, but I hope in future I might do. I don't know.
Okay. So ladies and gentlemen, she is Monjir Hansepi, who is a model and also an actress. We are so glad, and we feel so blessed, happy to have you here with us in our channel. And I also would like to thank you viewer for watching our channel, for watching this video from the beginning till the end. Thank you so much.